Good morning, everyone. We are out here at Hempstead Bay, New York. First time here.
Highly recommend it. I'll buckle up at least. Safety, safety. Is your back strapped down in the back?
Yeah, it's tight in.
Okay, good.
It's
10 feet.
I don't know how fast it's going. It's like 10, 12 feet.
It's not that deep.
So this is outing is more a scouting effort. I'm trying to see what's out here.
You see that shore? I want to fish that shore. You think you could paddle out there? You see that shore by those fancy houses?
You want to go by that buoy?
You see that house over there?
Where you going?
I'm thinking here. I'm right at the point. So I'm thinking at the point.
Before I came out, I checked with Google Maps to see potential area, and this particular area looks promising. Not really sure what's here, but I got some clamp bait and gulp on a medium setup, so let's see.
Oh, I have a hit. Yep. Right here. It's a poor guy. That's okay. It's 9 inches. Okay, so we don't need to go far. We come here and fish. And we don't have to pay toll. Huh? Right? It's only half an hour.
Oh man, after an hour of no bite, it's a struggle and it's real. Not a lick anywhere. I mean, I wish I had a fish finder now. I think that would help a lot just to understand the structure of the place. Before I forget, I really appreciate it if you can help me reach my goal of 4,000 subs by this year by hitting that subscribe button, and also leave a like and comment for the YouTube algorithm monster. Thank you.
You know where the posters are? Yeah. I think I might have to do that.
FYI, the house you see in the background, it's about between $6 to $8 million, so it's not cheap. It's pretty nice.
I have a bite. Fish on. Right here. Come to me. Where you were fishing before? Ooh, it's a big one. I don't know what it is. It's pretty big. See, Robin? Ugh! It's massive. The hell? Ugh. I didn't get skunk. Come on. Just give me your mouth. Oh, God. Look at that monster. You want it? You sure? It flies. Look at the wings all spread. It's actually pretty. What beautiful eyes. Look at that. You hear it? Yeah, it's like it's talking to me. It's talking to me. Fish on. That's a porgy. He hit the gulp. I think there's got to be some fluke, big fluke here. You know?
Oh yeah, no doubt.
So that boat's go over there. I think there's the reef. You see it? I think there's fish there. That's why the boat, huh? Eventually. That's why I think the kayaks over there and I see that boat's over there. So I think there is a reef. That's what they're fishing.
What they getting?
Oh, I'm on. Porgy. Big porgy. Big porgy. Not too big, but big enough.
Found the KT.
Yep. It's nice when my plan works.
Fish everywhere and find them.
That is the plan. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to leave a comment, a like, a dislike, and please subscribe. Thank you.